Hey guys, welcome to Kirtana Cooks. Today in our kitchen, let's see how to make chicken ghee roast. This dish is originally from Mangalore. It is very spicy, flavorful, and it has got this intense depth of flavor that comes from roasting and grinding our spices and by adding a good amount of ghee for this recipe. Now let's see how to make chicken ghee roast.
For this recipe, let's start with marinating our chicken. To a bowl, I'm adding half cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Let's mix this nicely until everything is combined. Once it's all mixed well, it's time to add our chicken. Today I'm going to use chicken drumsticks. I have 4 chicken drumsticks here. I have made small slits on the chicken so that our chicken is nice, juicy and flavorful. Adding in around 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now let's coat in the chicken with a marinade. Once the chicken is nicely coated, let it rest aside for 30 minutes. Now let's dry roast the spices. To a hot pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1/8 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Adding in some cinnamon and 2 cloves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Dry roast in a medium flame. Traditionally, ghee roast is made with whole dry red chilies. If so, then you can add around 10 red chilies here. Here I'm going to use Kashmiri chili powder instead. Adding in around 10 whole garlic cloves. Let's roast until it turns a little bit golden. Now let's transfer this to a mixer jar. I'm going to add around 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder. You can also replace with whole dry red chilies as said. Adding in around 2 teaspoons of tamarind that has been soaked in hot water. Now let's grind this to a smooth paste. Our flavor-packed ghee roast masala paste is now ready. Now to make the ghee roast, to a hot pan, we are going to add around 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. Once the ghee starts to melt, let's start adding our chicken pieces. The ghee gives a nice flavor to this dish. You can also replace the ghee with oil, but the ghee definitely gives a better taste. Now let's cover our chicken and cook it at least for 20 minutes in a medium to high heat. We want our chicken to be completely done. Once our chicken is completely done, we're going to add in our masala paste. Our chicken is nice and roasted. The masala paste has a bright red color because of the Kashmiri chili powder that we added. If you have whole dry red chilies which gives a nice color, you can also use that. Our chicken is now completely cooked. Now let's coat our chicken with the masala. Let's cover and cook it for a few more minutes until the masala is nicely soaked in by the chicken. Our ghee roast is now almost ready. For final touches, I'm going to add around 1 tablespoon of ghee and half teaspoon of jaggery. This jaggery elevates the taste of the dish. Do not skip it. Ghee roast is generally a very spicy dish, so at this point you can check the spice level of the dish. If you feel that the spice level is a little bit low, you can add a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of chili powder here. Our chicken masala looks gorgeous. For final touches, I prefer to add some curry leaves and finely chopped coriander leaves. Once you garnish with coriander leaves, keep mixing it for at least 5 minutes in medium flame until all the masala has coated the chicken. Our delicious and flavorful chicken ghee roast is now ready. Definitely try it out and let me know in the comment section how it worked out for you. If you like my recipes, do show some love and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notifications. See you soon with another recipe.